Do you know that there are some angles that are special, even more special than your current relationship? Hello everyone, this is Lav, or you can call me Victory, and we are still learning mathematics, and we are still looking at trigonometric ratios, and today we are looking at special angles. So like I said before, there are some angles that are special. What we actually mean by special angles, they are angles that have special values. Yes, they have special values, and they are usually in short form. Now, when do you know when you are asked to use special angles? Whenever you see any question that gives you trigonometric problem, like questions with sine and cos, and they are asking you to leave your answer in short form, or they say without the use of calculators. When you start hearing these questions without the use of calculators or tables, and it has to do with trigonometry, that sine, cos is inside that question, or you have to look for sine of anything inside that question, you are meant to use special angles. Now, so let's go right into it. So how do we? I am basically going to be deriving these special angles. Not deriving, I'm going to be telling you how I remember my special angles, and you can learn that too. So it comes in a table form. And in our table we'll have theta, we'll have sine, cos, and tan. Then under theta we'll have 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and lastly 90 degree. So these are the angles, our basic special angles. We can still get for other angles like 120, 150. We actually love 30 degree interval, but we can still derive for any other angle. But these ones are the basic ones. So let's start. So remember this. You can use your calculator to check what is sine 0. Sine 0 is 0. So that's the start. Sine 0 is 0. Now remember, special angles are meant to be in short form, that's in fraction form. Sort, I don't know if you know sort. It's an necessary topic, but we saw it here. Like when you start seeing square root of something, that's sort. So we don't need decimals here. So now using the last topic I taught, complementary angles, we know that sine 0 degree is going to be what? Cos of 90 degree minus 0 degree. So that's cos of 90. Remember, we say complementary angles that sum up to 90 degrees, that the sine of the one will be equal to the cos of the other. So since sine 0 is 0, it means that cos 90 will also be 0. Did we get that? Now, sine 30, if you use your calculator, it's going to give you 0.5. 0.5 is 1 over 2. Then, sine 30 is going to be cos what? Did you say it right? I wish I could read your mind. But sine 30 is cos 90 degree minus 30. And 90 degree minus 30 is 60. So it's cos 60. So here it's also 1 over 2. Then sine 45 is sort 2 over 2. You can use your calculator, check what is sort 2 over 2. Then press sine 45 and confirm that. And cos 45 is also sort 2 over 2. You know why now? That sine 45 is equal to cos 90 degree minus 45, which is still cos 45. So they are the same thing. Then sine 60 is sort 3 over 2. If you use your calculator, you'll be getting 0.886660, something like that. So that's this. And it's going to be the same thing as cos 30. So here is still sort 3 over 2. Then sine 90 is 1 and cos 0 is also 1. So did you see I got these angles? You can play it many times to get what I did. Now basically, for tan, one of the rules you should know about trigonometry is that tan of any angle is equal to sine of that angle divided by cos of that angle. So that's what I'm going to use to fill in my cos, my tan. So I'm basically going to be dividing to get the result here. So when I do 0 divided by 1, that's 0. If I do 1 over 2, don't know if you can see this side of the board, divided by root 3 over 2. This is going to be 1 over 2 times 2 over root 3, which is ending up as 1 over root 3 because 2 will cancel out. So this is 1 over root 3. Why this one? If they divide each other, we'll get 1. So tan 45 is 1. If I divide here, I'm going to end up with root 3. But when we do 1 divided by 0, it's going to be infinity. If you use your calculator, you are going to be getting mass error. That mass error is trying to tell you that it's infinity, trying to say that it is not defined. So we kind of call it undefined. That undefined is just saying that under real numbers, we don't have this number. It's not defined under real numbers. So 1 divided by 0 is undefined, or you say infinity, which we write like this. So I don't know if you got my special angles. What you're going to try and do is, if you're an SS1 student, this is your third term work. So if your child is in SS1, you are seeing this video and your child is in SS1, show them this video, let them get it now and let them memorize this. If they can understand how it did it and got all these values, good for them. If they could memorize, good. So the basic thing now is that you need to know what sin 30 is. You need to know what cos this is. You need to know what this is, because we'll be using it in solving. So in our next stage, the next video I'm going to make, I am going to be making videos on how to use these trig ratios in solving problems, these special angles in solving problems. So you check, they are really special. So thank you for remaining with me up to now. I hope you learned this. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like button and share this video. Drop a like button, comment, tell me where you want me to improve in, or a video you would like me to create for you specifically. I am creating 3 videos. This is my bet mode, so any video you request for now, you will get it sharply, like immediately. So just encourage me by clicking the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and remain blessed. See you next time.